Looking for something fun this weekend? How about hot rods, cars, trucks, bikes, classics, and more at the 15th Annual Car Show in Lompoc. Join us for a weekend of cool car fun with the big cruise night on Friday down Ocean Street. Then head out to Ryan Park on Saturday, where we will fill the park with live music, barbecue, food trucks, and the coolest cars on the coast. That's this Friday and Saturday in Lompoc for the 15th Annual Car Show. Brought to you by the Lompoc Police Officers Association and Explore Lompoc.